Nokia Drone Networks, powered by the Nokia Digital Automation Cloud, is an end-to-end solution for complete aerial insight, comprising Nokia drones and optional equipment, private and secure mobile broadband, cloud connectivity, a command and control center, and an optional docking station. As the Nokia drones are connected over the private wireless network, they operate completely independently from the public network. The command and control center is used for operating and managing the drones, and the data feed flows into the Nokia Drone Networks cloud as part of the customer's private and secure LTE network for storage and analysis. The Nokia drone is a hexacopter, featuring a modular design that is easy to handle and maintain. It has a maximum takeoff weight of 9 kilograms and can fly for up to 55 minutes. The drones can operate in temperatures from -10 to +50 Celsius, and at speeds of up to 80 kilometers per hour. The range of operation is unlimited within the private Nokia wireless network, and battery replacement time takes only 1 to 2 minutes. With the optional docking station, charging is automated. Nokia drones can be equipped or enhanced in many ways for multiple use cases. This Nokia dual gimbal has mounted HD video and thermal video cameras. The drone can also be equipped with a mounted still camera, as well as loudspeakers, searchlights, customizable sensors for smoke, motion, radiation, and more. Power up the drone by pressing the Power On button. The drones are automatically connected via the Nokia private wireless network and appear on the Nokia command and control dashboard. The solution enables multiple drones to fly on automated individual missions steered from the command and control center, collecting data and information to meet business-critical needs related to security and transport, for example, or to facilitate public safety-related operations. Nokia drones have an added safety feature which prevents the propellers from spinning until the user is ready to start the mission. Using a 3D mouse for optimal control, the user can operate both the gimbal and camera zoom function simultaneously. The gimbal features a full HD video camera with 30 times optical zoom and a thermal camera. Adoption of aerial drones and drone technology is growing in select industries like agriculture, construction, mining, public safety and first responders, oil and gas, telecommunications, and utilities. Nokia Drone Networks, a complete aerial insight solution. We create the technology to connect the world.